This old guy DIY video has to do with looking into an intermittent headlight issue on a friend's 2010 Polaris RZR. So a friend recently got this thing, and when she would flip the headlights on, sometimes the switch would work and other times it wouldn't. So to troubleshoot it, I popped the switch out of the dash here, and this is what I found. So the switch is not fully engaged. It has a bunch of dirt and stuff in there. So I'm going to separate the switch from the female receptacle. I'm going to clean that all up, plug it back in, and see if that fixes the problem. This is what the inside of the switch looks like. So I'm suspecting this may be the issue. I'll clean that out with some compressed air, and then when I put it back together, I'll wrap electrical tape around the junction. Maybe we can keep some dust out of there. This is what the male side of the switch looks like. I cleaned up both sides of the switch. Now I've squeezed this thing together as tightly as I can. I see the clip down there is broken. So I'm going to take some black electrical tape. I'm going to tape this up, and then I'm going to put the switch back in its spot. I have the tape on there, so this should remain a dust-free seam for the rest of the vehicle's life. Now it's just a matter of putting it back in the hole. With the switch installed, the headlight switch works. You see that passenger side light is on. There's no light here on the driver's side. So I'm going to grab the bulb out of the passenger side, put it on the driver's side, see if my problem is a bulb or if it's wiring.